Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. As you knew in previous videos that how Gopal brought Hilsa fish and reached the king's palace. Now in today's video, we will learn about what happened when guards brought Gopal in front of the king. So look at your book. Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. The man has lost his mind. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. So when Gopal was shouting at the gate to meet the king and the guards were trying to stop him, so sitting in the palace, the king listened the shout and an order to brought him. Sorry, not brought him. The king ordered to bring him in front of him. So the guards brought him in front of the king. As Gopal came, the king and all other courtiers recognized him. They said, "Oh, it's Gopal." So the guards were surprised. They stopped Gopal, the courtier, to enter the palace because they couldn't recognize him. And also, they never imagined courtiers like this. So looking at Gopal, some courtiers said, "This man has gone mad. He had lost his mind." And some others said, "It's one of his crazy jokes." It means the get-up which he had to buy Hilsa fish. They said he had done something very crazy. Now look at your book. All right, Gopal. Out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. So anyways, the king turned to Gopal and said, "Gopal, it's okay. Get out of this crazy gesture and tell me, why did you dress up this ridiculous fashion and get this fashion foolish and poor look?" It means why did you get half shaven and dirty clothes and smeared ash on your face? What is the reason behind it? Tell me. What do you want? What are you trying to do? Tell me. Then Gopal said, "Your Majesty, I think you are forgetting something. Please try to remember." Now look into your book. Forgotten something? Strangely enough, no one seemed to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. So listening Gopal, the king said, "Forgotten something? What am I forgetting? What do you want to say?" Then Gopal said very proudly, "Your Majesty, look, no one is talking about Hilsa fish in my hand. Not on the way from the market to palace, even not in the court also. No one spoke or asked a word about Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, look at the people and the courtiers. It is the season of Hilsa fish, and everyone was talking about Hilsa fish everywhere, every time. But now, at this time, no one is talking about Hilsa fish which I had in my hand. Now look into your books. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Ha ha. Well, Gopal, congratulations. You have achieved the impossible once again. So when Gopal said, "Your Majesty, look at the people, they are not talking about Hilsa fish in the season of Hilsa fish," Then the king remembered his challenge. He praised Gopal and he was very happy. Then king said, "Now I understood everything, and once again you proved yourself clever. I am impressed you. You have completed an impossible task." Now everyone was laughing loudly, getting the matter and remembering the challenge which the king gave to Gopal. And what was the challenge? The challenge was to buy a hilsa fish from the market and to bring that hilsa fish to the palace without letting anyone ask about anything about that hilsa fish. So that was the challenge, and Gopal did same as the challenge was given. Because of this, the king praised him and appreciated him. Now, here the story comes to an end. I hope you enjoy this story, and thank you very much for watching this video.